what's up guys, it's Sava from SOS Kitchen, and today we're making braised pork belly. This recipe is so easy to make, it just takes a bit of time and patience, but the patience is really the hardest part about it. I love to eat this on bao buns, but I've also added it to ramen or minced it up and made it a filling for other things. Any way you eat it, I'm sure you'll love it. As always, the directions will be in the description box below. To get started, you're gonna need some scallions, ginger, garlic, and pork belly. In a small pot that will kind of snugly fit your pork, add in some soy sauce, brown sugar, red chili flakes, Chinese 5-spice, which will be the main flavoring of this pork and also makes your house smell heavenly, water, sesame oil, black pepper, and your aromatics from earlier. Add your pork into the pot and then put it on the stove over low heat with a lid to simmer and braise for the next 2 to 2.5 hours. When a knife can easily pierce the skin of the pork, you'll know you're done, so remove it from the heat and put it in the fridge to cool completely. Usually for me, that means overnight. When you take the pork out of the fridge, you'll notice that all the liquid has turned into kind of like a jelly and the fat has hardened on the top. Remove the pork from the liquid and then use a spoon to get rid of all that fat. With the remaining liquid, bring it to a simmer and then pour it through a strainer to remove all the vegetables that we no longer need. Let the sauce reduce by about 1/3 while you cut up your pork belly. Because the pork is cold, it's now really easy to cut and get nice straight lines. I cut the pork into about 1/2-inch slices and then put it in the sauce to reheat for just about a minute. Serve the pork belly on its own or with some bao and pickled veggies. I like to pile it on a freshly steamed bun with some hoisin, kimchi, and pickled veggies. I promise anyone you feed this to will be forever grateful. Anyways, try out this recipe and let me know how you like it. Please follow Sweet or Savory Kitchen, and thanks for cooking with me again. Bye!